The NASDAQ composite has entered bear market territory, and many stocks now appear significantly cheaper than they were before. One standout is Nvidia, a company that has been considered one of the top-performing investments since 2023. With its stock currently down about 35% from its all-time high, investors may be asking an important question. Is buying Nvidia right now a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that could deliver incredible returns and long-term financial growth? Or could it be a potential value trap? Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. Nvidia has become one of the most important companies in the technology sector because of its critical role in powering artificial intelligence. The company designs graphics processing units, or GPUs, which provide the high-speed computing power required by today's advanced AI systems. GPUs are capable of performing many calculations at the same time. When hundreds or even thousands of these units are linked together in clusters, they deliver massive computing performance. This is essential for training complex generative AI models. Recently, Nvidia's stock has come under pressure. Some investors believe that major cloud providers, often called AI hyperscalers, might slow down their data center expansion plans. This concern is tied to the possibility of an economic downturn, partly influenced by new trade tariffs proposed by former President Donald Trump. While it's reasonable to be cautious, the demand for artificial intelligence is not going away. The companies leading the AI race have strong cash flow and are likely to continue investing heavily, even if other parts of their business face short-term challenges. That's why Nvidia's long-term growth potential still looks strong. In fact, current stock prices may offer a rare buying opportunity compared to recent highs. One major reason to consider Nvidia as a strong investment right now is its ambitious growth outlook. At the company's 2025 GTC conference, CEO Jensen Huang made a bold projection. Global data center capital spending could reach $1 trillion by the year 2028. For reference, spending in 2024 was around $400 billion. Over the past 12 months, Nvidia brought in $130 billion in revenue, so this projected growth points to a significant opportunity. If Nvidia simply maintains its current share of the data center market, it could be generating about $325 billion in annual data center revenue by 2028. That would be a massive leap from where things stand today, and a scenario like that could lead to major gains for shareholders. To take a more cautious approach, let's cut that growth in half. That would still mean Nvidia reaches $228 billion in revenue by 2028. A more conservative estimate is wise, especially with new competitors entering the space. Some of these rivals are developing custom AI accelerators that could outperform GPUs in certain tasks, which may eat into Nvidia's market share. There's also a chance that overall data center spending doesn't hit the $1 trillion mark. Even using the conservative scenario, the numbers are impressive. If Nvidia reaches $228 billion in revenue and maintains its current profit margins, it could earn $127 billion in profits. Now, let's look at valuation. Nvidia's stock price has come down in recent months, but historically it tends to trade at higher multiples. Assuming a price-to-earnings ratio of 30 and $127 billion in profits, Nvidia's market value could reach $3.81 trillion by the end of 2028. That would represent a 60% increase from its current valuation of around $2.38 trillion. And remember, that's based on a conservative outlook. So while Nvidia may not deliver the kind of life-changing returns it has in the past, it still looks like a very strong opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the future of AI and data infrastructure. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.